Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Turkish eggs with you. So Turkish eggs have a layer of yogurt at the bottom, which we are going to use hung curd or Greek yogurt for because this is keto. And then there's a poached egg on top and this lovely chili oil sauce, which is a little different from the Chinese one, but it's absolutely delicious and so beautiful. So if you like the recipe, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell if you haven't already, and there's also all notifications under that, which is what you need to click to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. So let's go ahead and see how I make this recipe. I've taken 150 grams of hung curd or Greek yogurt. To that I'm adding some grated garlic. So I've taken 2 tiny cloves. If you have a large clove, then you can use just one. And here I have some dill, and I'm going to take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this. If you like more, you can add more. And I have chopped it really fine and I am putting that into the yogurt. Now I have a small piece of green chili. This is optional. This is again only because I'm Indian and I like spicy food. And I think green chili and yogurt goes really well in a lot of our Indian raitas, and that's the reason I'm adding that. I'm also adding a pinch of turmeric. So that's not authentic Turkish, but I'm adding it because I like it. And the last thing that I've added is salt. And you might think that it's most crucial to have a tiny whisk to mix all of this together, but it's not. You could mix with your finger if you like. So here we are making our brown butter sauce. We have 1.5 tablespoons of salted butter in a pan, and we're going to let it cook on a very low heat. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and you will see that the bottom of the pan is kind of golden. So you want to move your spoon around because it will be bubbling on the top and you may not notice, and you will get a very dark butter. It should start smelling nutty and delicious, and you will know when that happens. At this point, I'm going to add a pinch of cumin powder, Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, and a pinch of red chili flakes. And now our brown butter sauce is done. We are going to switch off the gas. Here I'm plating it. I have about 3 tablespoons of the Greek yogurt, on which I have added 2 of my salted sunny side up, but I have cooked them like poached eggs because frankly every time that I try to make poached eggs I have messed them up and I don't have the patience to learn them all over again. So I've placed 2 of those, and on top of that I have put my delicious brown butter beautiful golden sauce. And when something looks this beautiful and it tastes just as good, this is what happens soon after. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the recipe and will try it out and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.